Hi, for this video, I'm gonna show you how to find below median income from the zip codes or areas you're working on using the percentage rate formula. First, you have to download a copy of your data mining spreadsheet from the website. Okay, so this is how your data mining spreadsheet looks like. It has city, state, zip code, household median income, median house value, state median value, and a percentage rate below median income. So I have added this column. So for this tutorial, I'll be working on a zip code or areas from Texas. We're gonna use 75002. So for us to find the nearby areas, let's find it using a free map tools website. So just search freemaptools.com and then on the sidebar, click find zip codes inside a radius. Okay, next, let's change this radius to 20 miles. So it's up to you if you want to use 30 miles and so on. And then copy paste the zip code, which is 75002. Then we click search, and here we found 78 zip codes. So open a Word document and paste the zip codes. Next, so on the search bar, click the drop down icon and then click replace. So we need to change. Okay, you can also use edit, find, replace. Okay, so for us to copy these values on the Excel file horizontally, so we have to change the format of these zip codes. So we need to change the comma to manual line break. Then select all and click replace all. Okay, there you go. We can now copy paste these values to the data mining spreadsheet. And next, we need to find the information for each column or each row. So for this, we will now be using citydata.com, city-data.com, and copy paste the zip code, the first zip code, which is 75002. There we have Lucas, Texas. Next, scroll down, and there we can find the median house value of 75002, which is $305,186. Next, the state median value for Texas is $200,000 and 400. And the household median income is $80,721. Okay, so if you notice I didn't type the dollar sign yet, you can do it at once by clicking select all, and on the menu tab, click the drop down menu and choose dollar sign, just like that. So next, let's find the information for the next zip code, which is 75074. So there you have the, just copy paste the information or type in the information, and then the zip or the median house value is $253,106. Next, again, the state median value is $200,400. So we only have one value for that. And here the household median income is $57,937. So since the state median value is $200,000 and 400, we can just copy paste this information for each zip code, or if you can see that smallest square, you can just drag it. So it will be copied automatically. So just drag it up to the bottom. Okay, so now for us to be able to find the percentage rate for the below median income for each zip code, we have to divide the median house value from the state median value. So we will be using this formula. Just type the equal sign and then click the median house value, for example, for the first zip code, divided by the state median value. So it will give us 1.52 something. So change it to percentage form. So we have 152%. Since we already have since we will be using just one formula for each zip code, we can just copy paste this cell, or if again just drag that small square just like that. Okay, now so we have this column formatted. So every time we type in information under median house value, it will automatically give us the below median income percentage. So let's say this one is 98,000. So we have 49%. So this is just an example. Again, so let's say for this zip code, we have 120,000 median house value. So it will give us a value or of 60%. And then let's say this one is 180,000. So the value for the percentage value we have is 90,000. So that's it.